Hello, what up there? You are watching Atmosphere, and in this video we will be discussing about 5 years of architecture. What you are going to do in your 5 years of architecture. This video is mainly for people who are aspirant of architecture. So guys, first of all I want to clear that architecture is a 5 years of course. So 5 years of course will equivalent to 10 semester, because every year there will be 2 semester, so 1 year will be containing 2 semester. So guys, before continuing to this video, first of all understand these 4 words. So the first word is brief. In architecture, brief means that a project is given to you and you have to analyze the brief and then design the outcome that could be possible for that brief. Example for a brief is that I want a house of 4 people with a built-up area of 200 meters square and many more things that can be included. Basically brief deals with the end user and what are the requirements that you are having. Second is site. So site is the thing that is the area that will be given to you, and in site you have to design your house or your project, and then the project will be constructed on that site in real scale. So that is called site. So the third word that you should understand is jury. So basically jury is that in architecture we design things, and at end jury come and analyze our design that we did for this semester, and they mark us accordingly what they like about the design, and that whether it follows architecture terminology or not. Internship is basically that you have to work in an architecture firm, like being in college. It's like a semester that will be given, that you have to go and find a professional internship, and your report will be submitted in college, and that will be the whole semester, and that will be the assessment that will be done. So the next word that we will understand is thesis. So thesis is the key, like it's the main thing that you will be doing throughout your 5 years of architecture. Thesis is basically that you will be researching about a project, and you will be designing a project on a very large scale, and you have to write a book accordingly, and that book will be your thesis. Like you did a lot of research in that project, and it generally will be done in your 5th year, and it's the main part of your report card as well, because thesis is considered the main part of your report card. So let's start discussing about the 5 years of architecture. So guys, first of all, first year to third year, the semester will be same. Like you will be having a same repetition of things that you will be doing. So each semester you will be given a terminology of a brief. Like the brief will be very different and will be focusing on a typology. Like for instance, for first semester, like you will be designing a cafe, and for second semester you will be designing a residential project, and third semester the scale will definitely going to increase, but the brief and everything that will be given is on the set pattern. And the set pattern would be like that you will be given a brief and you will be given a site, and then you have to design for it, and after the design faculty will be giving you a lot of grades. Grades is basically what they like about your design and whether you are going good or not, and the grades will play a major role in deciding your design. And at the end you will be having a jury. Jury is basically people from outer college will be coming and assessing your work throughout your semester. This will be the set pattern for these 3 years. So let's come to the 4th year and 5th year. What will be the difference? So what's the difference between 4th year and 5th year? 4th year will be mainly of dissertation and internship. Guys, first of all I want to clear you that it's according to my college some college might follow different curriculum, but it's somewhat like same for everything. So for fourth year, you will be having a dissertation at the first semester, and your eighth semester you will be going for internship. It's the time that you should be ready with your portfolio, whatever you will be done in your first, second, third year, and the first seventh semester of fourth year. You have to compile it in your portfolio. So portfolio is basically a well compiled book that will be representing you and your work. This is a portfolio, so you have to submit your portfolio and get into an office, and then you have to spend one semester doing your internship, and your report for the internship will be sent to the college and you will be assessed on that. Let's come to the fifth year, the final year. So the fifth year will be the most difficult year being considered. Like, it will be containing a lot of work, and as you come from professional life again back to the student life, you have to manage that also. So you will be doing your thesis at the end of the fifth year, and in your thesis you have to pick a topic, and then you have to do research and write a book and design according to the needs of the project. And you will be having your dissertation guide, which will be a faculty, and at the end you will be having your last jury and last exams. So guys, there are also exams that you have to give. Jury is a part, but jury is the main part, but still there are exams for few subjects like building construction, the techniques that you will be using for construction, and structures, the structure of a building. These are some of the subjects that I am telling you. There will be a lot of other subject as well according to the year. So these are some of the things that you will be doing in your 5 years of architecture. I want to tell you guys about these things because we should understand how we are going to consume our 5 years of architecture before joining the college. That is the aim of this video. I hope that you got a little understanding what you will be doing in your 5 years of college of architecture. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel. I will be uploading more videos related to architecture and understanding architecture. So till then, see you next time.